So here we have me making my bechamel with the butter, a stick of butter, 2 tablespoons of flour, and then some heavy cream. And I'm going to throw in also some of the fettuccine Alfredo sauce made by Barilla. So it's a mixture of everything. So I keep whisking away, and here I have my chicken, which I'm sauteing in olive oil and garlic and parsley. And there is my water boiling for my pasta. So we'll see where this takes us. Okay, so my chicken is done. I added some Parmesan cheese to my bechamel roux, whatever you want to call it, and my penne is still working. And this is how it turned out. I absolutely cannot wait to dig in. I put some parsley on top. The chicken is in there. The bechamel, whatever you call it, the fettuccine sauce, and I am just so excited. All right, guys, thanks for watching.